Spacious 4-bedroom 3 full bath home conveniently located within minutes of shopping centers, easy access to I-95 and a quick commute to Savannah. Main level has an open concept floor plan with rich dark wood flooring throughout. A bedroom with a private entrance to the bathroom is also located on the main floor. The main floor bathroom has a full walk-in shower and beautiful tile work. Master bedroom is upstairs and includes a sitting room. Master bathroom has a separate shower and garden tub, double sink vanities, and a huge walk-in closet. The laundry room is on the second level conveniently located near the master bedroom. 2 more bedrooms are upstairs and another full bathroom finish the second floor. Flat and fenced-in backyard creates a great space for entertaining. The house is also located within a few blocks of the community pool and clubhouse.